Let's get the thoughts of a great trader. He's Tim Biggam of Options Insider here for our Trader Rundown. You're watching this market and you're thinking what, Tim?
I'm thinking, it's starting to look a little bit maybe toppy here, at least for the short term, entering into a seasonally kind of flat spot. Obviously, June, July, normally kind of two of the biggest negative months for stocks. And given the rally, I think probably warranted here. So implied vol kind of hinting at that. So I think it might be kind of a trader's market, to use your term, for the next couple months. So be more nimble.
It was a big day yesterday for the Tesla shareholders. So is this a buy, a hold, a trade for you?
Yeah, these stocks, I think tech generally, and Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon in particular, are getting a little ahead of themselves. So I'm a little more bearish on those. I kind of favor value over growth here. NASI has outperformed the S&P by about a 2-to-1 ratio so far this year. So I think it's getting a little stretch. I think if the market does come down, they'll sell those names first. So I'm more bearish on those.
And then let's take a look at ADI. We don't talk about this stock much on the show, but all of a sudden there's been some very unusual options activity in this stock. What is it telling traders?
Yeah, absolutely. And ADI in the red hot, chip sector, it had earnings last week, actually initially rallied to all-time highs. Since then has dropped about 15%, got downgraded earlier this week. On that downgrade, we saw a big call volume coming in, so I kind of like that action, so I'm following along with that call buying. Moving out to September, the call buying was in July. Just like the fact I can get in at a little bit lower IV level here, give myself a little bit more time.
And that's an indication people think the stock is going to go up.
Yeah, absolutely. When you see unusual call volume, a lot of times it's the big players taking a big position in a big way. I like to follow along with that.
Well, we will continue to follow your trades. Thanks, Tim.
You bet. Thank you, Angie.